Hi Novato neighbors, are you thinking of upgrading your flooring? It can be a great investment if you make the right choices. I'm Team McGinnis, realtor and stager with Team McGinnis. One of the main goals when replacing flooring is to have just one type of flooring throughout your main living areas. So ideally a wood or wood look product from the front door to the back and everywhere in between. The bathroom and laundry room can be different. Now, of course, there are exceptions, and maybe you have a gorgeous wool Berber in your living room that you want to keep. I'm just saying that in general, buyers like fewer flooring transitions. If you have tile in a large part of your home and that tile is 15 plus years old and builder grade material, I would seriously consider replacing it if you want to boost what your home is worth. Hardwood or engineered wood floors are high on many buyers' wish lists, and those are the best products for increasing your home's value. But maybe wood isn't in your budget. If not, I would look at a commercial grade plank laminate. Today's plank laminate is not your father's Pergo. It looks a lot like engineered wood and it's very durable. The last type of flooring I want to mention is known as LVP or luxury vinyl plank. This is getting installed all over Marin County. It's a popular choice because of its lower price point, but it's also a floating floor and can be installed over existing floors. So you can avoid demolition, which saves time and money. We did these floors at a home in Hamilton earlier this year, and it looked great. Generally, I would not recommend LVP for high-end homes because buyers expect engineered or solid wood. We try to look at what the other homes in the neighborhood are doing. So what is the best color wood, laminate, or vinyl to choose? I believe that pale natural choices like oak or maple or medium brown like oak or hickory are the most timeless color options for wood or wood look floors. They're natural, versatile, and generally won't scream which decade they were installed in, nor will they limit your decorating options. If you want more advice on how to improve your home's value, visit our website, besthomesmarin.com, and be sure to like our video. Thanks for watching.